Here it is, you guys. Yeah, guys, it's time to go. This has been an awesome car. I've had it since I was 18. Okay guys, in this video you guys will see me change the automatic transmission fluid on a Toyota Corolla. The years are 2014 to 2019. I went to do the transmission filter as well, and the O'Reilly's and AutoZone automatic transmission filter were incorrect. So I think it's got to be an OEM part. If you guys know the part number, post it down below. But I did end up removing the transmission pan so I could change the filter. But if you're just doing a flush, you don't have to remove the pan. My friend was quoted $350 just to do the flush and fill, or drain and fill, if that's what you want to call it. You guys have seen the video how easy it is to drain the fluid and fill it, and $350 is a little much, but maybe you need it for your car's warranty, so maybe you do need to take it to a shop to keep it under warranty. They are newer vehicles. Don't forget, use all the safety equipment first. Your jack stands and stuff like that. But yeah, guys, enjoy the video. Let me know what you guys think. Remy, say bye-bye.
Bye.
And this video was recorded probably like a year and a half ago, so I'm very far behind on uploads. But go ahead, guys. Watch the video, like, subscribe, share, get the tools, do it yourself, save money into your own pocket. Thanks, guys. Alright, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do a transmission flush and change the filter on your automatic Toyota Corolla. This is a 2015. I think the years for this is 2014 to 2018 or 20 or 19. One of the above. Right here, there's a little plastic piece that you got to remove. This piece sits up right here. There are two 10mm bolts right here, a clip here. Down at the bottom, there is two bolts here. This little clip. Let's see, two bolts, a little clip there. And there's another one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there's one also right here, which you guys will know when you guys get to this. This is the fill plug, the fill hole, I should say. And it is a 24mm socket to remove that. So you're gonna have to remove this. This is a hex bit 6mm to drain it. And then 10mm bolts to remove the oil, the transmission pan, and then the transmission filter is underneath here, which I'll show you guys when I remove this. Just for the flush, he was quoted $350. That does not include changing the filter. Super expensive, very easy job to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and drain it, and then maybe show you guys pulling off the oil pan, possibly. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep going. And at the beginning of this video, you guys would have seen, I would have probably called and seen what other places also charge to get this done with the filter, which I haven't done yet, but you guys would have seen that at the beginning of the video already. Alright, put the drain bolt back on after I drained as much as I could, and then I went ahead and loosened up all the oil pan bolts or transmission pan bolts. Now it's just dripping whatever couldn't drain out right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish loosening these bolts off, and then maybe turn on the camera right before the pan comes off. All right, down to my last two bolts. This Pan is nice. It's not like seized on there to where I have to pry it off. It's nice and loose. Got one more bolt. And there goes the transmission filter right here. Go ahead and let this drip a little bit. And this is held by 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. And then just pulls right down. Super easy to get to. Alright guys, not changing the transmission filter after all. The one that we got from AutoZone is different, and the one at O'Reilly's is different. We can't figure out the part number for this. They don't have the replacement for this, so if you guys can put it in the comment, is it just an OEM replacement part? Or where do you guys get the replacement filter from? So we don't have a new gasket either now, so now we got to use RTV to put the pan back on, and the old gasket's still on there, but I don't trust it. We're gonna RTV it and hope that it seals up well enough. So that's gonna be my next step. Not changing this guy after all. All right, put some RTV on here. The old gasket's still there. Now I gotta line this up and get this back on. Transmission pan back on. I don't know if you can tell in the camera, but you could see the RTV squeezed out. So it looks pretty good. Drain bolts on. Now I just gotta go to the fill, and remember that's a 24mm socket, and this takes 6 to 8 quarts, so I'll probably put 7. Alright guys, put in about 6 to, no, more like 7 to 7.5 quarts. Started to overfill. Recommended, again, I've been told it's between 6 and 8. Some people do between 6 and 10. But yeah, that's it. So that's where this little bit's from, is from draining up from up top. I used my little cheap Harbor Freight tool to fill it. This thing works awesome. So I use that with this bottle, and that's how I do it. But that's how easy it is. All I gotta do is put on that little plastic trim back on and dry it all up, and that's it guys. So hopefully this helps you guys flush the transmission, and let me know on that transmission filter, what is the replacement, because we did not get that replaced because we couldn't find one, unless it's just an OEM specific part. But don't forget, like, subscribe, share, and hopefully this video helps you guys out as well.